Hey guys, this is a quick playthrough of Blues for Inclusion, which is the third piece in the initial grade for Group A in the brand new Trinity syllabus for drum kit 2020 to 2023. Third piece in initial, it's ramping up quickly with difficulty. They've got a medium swing introduced into this. It's something that you wouldn't see in grade 1 in earlier versions of a Trinity syllabus, but they're introducing it here in the third piece. I feel like it's too early for this kind of stuff. If you can imagine a student that's really still trying to get their head around the difference between crotchets, quavers and semi-quavers, they're going to be on initial, and we're asking them in the first piece they just dealt with crotchets. In the second piece they got introduced to the difference between crotchets and quavers. Now we're saying to them, hey, here's crotchets and quavers, and we're going to swing the quavers. Like, maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's too soon. But this is ramping up quickly in difficulty, considering we're not even at grade 1. We're not even at grade 1 and we're already doing this. So take that as you want. Here's what Blues for Inclusion sounds like. So you've got your swing on the right cymbal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then you've got the same groove then for 5 and 6 that you had on 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to have this swing coming through on your quavers. But it's telling you which hands to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's floor tom, snare drum, rack tom, snare drum, and then snare drum, and then rack tom, and then floor, and then snare. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, back to the same groove we had on 1 and 2 for 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a paradiddle based groove that's swung, and it also moves around the kit. So initial grade. 1, 2. So the reason it's a paradiddle is because it's right, left, right, right. That's the sticking for a paradiddle. Right, left, right, right. You can hear I'm still swinging that. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. So practice that bar. That's going to be hard enough on its own. Bar 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you've got a right, left, right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3. That moves a lot. Rack tom, snare, floor, rack, snare, snare. 1, 2, 3. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Okay, so this is also at 108 BPM. It's no joke. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest on the 1. This really makes the shuffle hard to figure out, because you're not playing on the 1, but you got that at 2. Okay, and it's telling you again it's left right. It has to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's talk that through. The at 2 is going to be snare. At 2 has to be left right because it's telling you. The 3 and, or the 3 and, is going to be on the snare. 3 and. Rest on the 4 and you play the snare on the and, left-handed, and then you got a whole note 1, whole note rack tom 2, whole note floor tom 3, whole note bass drum 4. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the rhythm on bars 19 and 20 is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Again, that swing is in there. So it's snare drum 1, snare drum and floor tom, 2, and then snare and floor together, 3, and then rest on 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we got a moving pattern again. You got floor tom, right hand, and then you got left, right on the snare. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Moving around. Floor tom, snare, snare, rack tom, snare, snare, floor tom, snare. Try that bar on its own. 23. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you get the final bar. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. There is an awful lot going on in this for initial grade piece. I would be a little concerned. People starting out on the drums during initial grade, they're just figuring it out, and then they're hit with this, which is a bit of a brick wall of learning. They could be stuck on this piece so long that they quit. Honestly, it's just such a ramp up in difficulty. It might be ill-advised, but again, this is I'm in my first look at this grade. I might change that opinion as I go, but man, it's not easy. Like, I would have expected this kind of thing at grade 3, honestly. But we'll see how it pans out. I'm not 100% pumped about the fact they've made it so hard, but if you can do it, it's a great achievement. Okay, so we're going to do a playthrough of that now. If you're working on this piece, just remember, take it apart bar by bar. You don't have to play this all in one go. Do your best with it. That's all anyone can ask you to do, and see what you get out of it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you at the playthrough. Bye.